Will with Davis 10. And I want to take a second to show you how to form a spark arrestor. It's a common question that we get. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this flat piece out. You're going to go to the seam. And you're going to bend against that seam. I like to go 4 to 5 inches up. So we've done this side. We're going to go to the other side. This takes just a little bit of elbow grease. So you can see once you've done that, you've got almost a perfect cylinder. So if you got any edges, you can always just kind of round it out a little bit and make it just right. Then you're going to take your top piece of pipe that's 6 inches at the top when it's nesting stovepipe, and you're just going to kind of wiggle it down in there. And when I'm done, you should be able to pick up your stovepipe just like this. That way you know it's not going to come out, it's not going to fall over or cause you a problem. So that's it. Easy to do. If you have any other questions, give us a call at Davis 10.